Good evening, everyone. Welcome to SDA Rising Scholar. Today we are going to see math subject and in math subject we are going to start with the second topic, that is the reading and writing numbers. See, reading and writing numbers in bracket is given that it is up to 10 digits. Okay. So first we are going to see how to uh, read the numbers which are up to 10 digits. Okay. And then we are going to see how to write it. It means we are going to see both the things, reading also, writing also. Important thing is that it is up to 10 digits. Okay, this is important thing. And after that, some questions will be based on reading and some questions will be based on writing. Okay, so first of all, we will see how to read and write up to 10 digits. Okay, see, two things are there in reading and writing: place value and face value. Place value and face value. Place and face. See difference. Pronunciation nearly same. One is place value and second one is the face value. In this topic, we are interested only in place value. Okay. Our interest is in the place value. So now when I'm going to tell you place value, we read the number from left to right. Okay, it's compulsory rule. We read the number from left to right. But when I'm going to teach you regarding writing of a number, we are going to start from right side. We are going to start from writing will start from right side. Reading of the number starts from left side. Okay, so let us get the place value first properly. First one is called ones place. Okay, first one is the ones place. After that, ones, some of you might be knowing this. After that, it will be tens place. Okay, after that, 100. Okay, after 100, there will be 1000. Okay, after 1000, it's actually before 1000, there will be 10,000. Okay, before 10,000, it will be lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, and abj. Okay, see how many while at the beginning only, I have told you that we are going to see up to 10 digits, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? That's it. What I was telling you when I was explaining you the name of topic, that is up to 10 digits. Okay? So is this clear to everyone? How will be the place value? Place value will be ones. place value will be tens, place value will be 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore and abja. Okay. Now regarding zeros, when we are going to talk about zeros, that time ones place do not have zero. Ones place do not have zero. At tens place, there is 1 0, right? 10 you say in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tens place, single zero. 100 place, there will be 2 0. Thousands place, there will be three zeros. Okay. 10,000 place, there will be 4 0. Lakh, it will be 5 0. 10 lakh, it will be 6 zeros. In crore, there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros. 10 crore, there will be 8 zeros. Okay. And for abja, there will be 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. So get the concept clear. Place value starts with the word tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, abja. Okay. When we are talking regarding zeros, ones place do not have any type of zero. Tens place there is single zero, 100 place 2 zeros, 1000, 3 zeros, 10,000, 4 zeros, lakh 5 zeros, 10 lakh 6 zeros, crore 7 zeros, 10 crore 8 zero, and abja has got 9 zeros. Okay. Those who are there with me, almost 7 students are there. If any difficulty, please ask me. If you do not have any difficulty, tell me that it's clear, it's okay for you, so I can proceed. Okay, is it okay? Any difficulty? Taksha, Ishwari, if Soham is there, Aradhya, Jnaneshwari, Arnav. Yes, no doubt. Okay. Ishwari, any doubt? Soham, any doubt? Arnav, any doubt? If Jnaneshwari, Aradhya, it is there. Okay. So I think it is almost clear. Now next part. When you are going to read a number, or when we write the number, suppose now I'm going to write one number, that is 49243. Okay. Here I have written one number. If you see properly, you will come to know now, no commas are given. Okay. If you see this number, it's just like this, 49243. Okay. Here I have, right now, commas are not given. But when you are writing numbers, when you are reading them, comma is very necessary. Now for commas also, there is a rule. Even writing or even while reading, first time you will put commas before 3 digits from right side. Before 3 digits from right side. See what I am telling you? Before 3 digits from right side. 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. That's it. And here you will put comma. This is first rule. Once this first rule is finished, put the commas before 3 digits from right side. After that, you have to put comma after every 2 digits. After every 2 digits. Okay, now see 4139 248. Okay, this is our second digit now, second number. What rule says? Put the comma before 3 digits from right side. So right side is 1, 2, 3. And after that, before every 2 numbers. 2 numbers means 1, 2. Okay. Here if it is 7, then 2 numbers. Okay. So this is the rule regarding your how to make use of commas. Unless and until you put comma, or unless and until use of a comma is made according to rule, you will not able to read the numbers. So comma is very necessary. Suppose now I take more 2-3 examples I will take. Suppose I will take 9752 478. Okay. Put commas. First rule. Count the number. 1, 2, 3. Comma. Okay. Make group of 2. Right. Ishwar, your answer is right. It may happen that they will provide you only just 3 numbers. Okay. That time also what you have to do? From right side, count 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Finish. You will put comma before 3 digits. Okay. And so on. There are many numbers. Okay. Again, in this example, go from right side, 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Put comma. Make group of 2. Okay. And finished. This is your writing part. Writing part. How to write the numbers by till 10 digits by making use of comma on proper place. Okay. Regarding writing the numbers, any difficulty? Soham, Aradhya, Ishwari, Arnav, any difficulty? Taksha, any difficulty? If you have difficulty, please ask me. Otherwise, we are going to go for reading matter. Okay. Taksha, Aradhya, Ishwari, no difficulty. Let us go for reading purpose. Now see, first rule. When you are going to read a number, when we read the number, that time we do not say like this, 10,000, 10 lakh, 10 crores. No, this is not a proper way. Okay. This is first rule you have to remember. We are not going to say 10,000, 10 lakh or 10 crore. How to read a number? Just now again we will see same example. Suppose I am taking 4, 9, 2, 4. Okay. Now where I must put comma? First you tell me in this example where I must put comma in this example. Yes, Arnav, Ishwari, Taksha. Before which number I must put comma? Before which number? Yes, Ishwari, right? Taksha, are you there? You have to answer. Okay. So 3 digits again we will count. 1, 2, 3. Now between 4 and 9, right? So now question arises. Soham, right, beta? Now question arises regarding reading. Okay, how to read? Give place values. Give place values. How? Ones place. Okay. Tens place. 100 place. And this will be 1000 place. Right? How to write then this number? 4000 4,000 900 24. Okay. So this is the way how we are going to write. See, right, Ishwari, right. 4,000 because here it is 1,000. 924. Okay. Next. One more example we will take. 3, 1, 2, 5, 7, 4, 5. Okay. Now you will answer me. Huh? You have to answer me. Where I must put comma? Where I must put comma? This you will tell me first. Soham, Takshak, Ishwari, Arnav. You have to tell me where I must put. Screen is black. Okay. Now is it okay, Ishwari? Ishwari, now is it okay? Okay. Now you have to tell me where you are going to put comma or give commas and send me number. Right. Arnav, right? 5 and 7. Arnav, is it okay? 5. Yeah. Okay. Anything more? Soham, right? Takshak before 7. 7 and Taksha, what is that before 7 and? What you have told me? Taksh, you have to check your answer. Okay. 1, where is 1? Here is. Okay, okay. So, your commas will be like this. Okay. 3 digits before comma. After that, 2 digits. Okay. What is the place value of 5? Who want to tell what is the place value of 5? Yes. Who will tell me what is the place value of 5? Ones. So I'm right. Place value of 5 is 1. Very good. Aradhya, we are going from right side. Okay. What is the place value of 4? Taksha, what is the place value of 4? Is it 100? Is it lakh? Is it abja, crore? What it is? Yes, Soham is giving right answer. Arnav is giving right answer. Taksha, concentrate what I am telling you. Taksha, you have to concentrate. I am asking you place value. Okay. 1 tens. Right. What about 7 then? What about 7? What about 7? Very good. It is 100. What about 5? What about 5? 5, who will tell me? Soham. Very good. It is 1000. What about 2? What about 2? 2 is, be fast. What about 2? Very good. 10,000. See, 10,000. T capital, 1000, TH. What about 1? What about 1? Yes, very good. Lakh, and after that it will be 10 lakh. Okay, one more rule. You're going to read 1000 and 10,000 together. Okay, sir, screen black होती का? You're going to read 1000 and 10,000 together. You're going to read lakh and 10 lakh together, and then you're going to tell me how to write this number. Tell me how to write this number. Lakh and 10 lakh together, 1000 and 10,000 together. Tell me how are you going to write this number? How to write? Yes, Arnav, Ishwari, Soham, Aradhya, Taksha, be fast. How to write this number? Shall I help you for starting? Soham, how to write? Arnav, Ishwari, 31 lakh. Yes, who can tell me? $31 lakh. Anyone? Okay. 31 lakh 25,000 700 and 45. Okay. Yes, Ishwari, right. Someone before Ishwari has sent. Arnav. Okay, right. Everyone said is right. Okay. So is it okay? Any more difficulty, any more explanation? If anyone require, please ask. Please ask. If you need any more explanation, any more difficulty, Aradhya, Arnav, Ishwari, Soham, Taksha. Aradhya, no difficulty. Okay. Soham, Taksha, no difficulty. Arnav, no difficulty. Okay. So I hope so you have understood this all. Shall we start with exercise? Shall we start with exercise? Okay, fine. So we'll start with exercise. I'll write first question. See, those who are in need, please take down these questions, which will help for you during your practice time. Okay. If you are really in need of this, please take down this question in your rough book. Okay. So we'll start with our question number 1. Write the number Okay. I was writing question. So when I'm writing question, you have to wait for some time. Now my voice will be also clear and screen will be also clear. Is it clear now? Okay. Let us understand question first. Arnav, now is it clear? Arnav, now is it clear for you? Blur is ते तर तिकडे जाते ना मग ते दिसत नाही म्हणते ओके ईश्वरी now is it clear okay I hope so now screen is clear okay there will be no difficulty see our question we have to first see question write the number 1300578 in words okay so number is given to us 1300578 okay small will you give answer or I shall give more explanation to you okay one hint I will give to you see you're directly sending so they want that this Arnav Aradhya do not send answer sir mong te kami okay directly answer do not send okay show me explanation Arnav Aradhya show the explanation okay one small hint I will give you this is ones place tens place 100 place here it is 00 so after this lakh and 10 lakh okay remember that lakh and 10 lakh we take together so this will be 13 lakh as Ishwari you have to check from your side also Ishwari check from your side so everyone is directly sending answers no problem that is option number 3 here as it is 0 we are going to read it 13,578 and that is your option number 3 no problem if you are sending direct answer no problem but if you are able to write sentence then that will be fine okay next question write the number now you have to write the number okay so will you write number or shall I write options also? Write number now 6 abja 5 crore 11 lakh 13,716. Write this number. They have told us to write this number. They have given option, but now you will write and send me. Write the number and send me answer. तरी मीटिंगचा टाइम आउटचं क्लिअर करता येईल ना माऊसवर ना फिरावं लागेल ते राइट आंसर और हाँ अर्णव व्हाट इज योर आंसर 6 अब्ज हाँ अर्णव बेटा लेट मी चेक 6 अब्ज 5 करोड़ राइट Okay. 13,007. Okay. Arnav right. Taksha right. Both are right. Soham, Ishwari, Aradhya. Send answer. Soham, where are commas? Without comma, how did you send answer? Aradhya right. Ishwari, what about you? Soham, you have to put commas. Without commas, no value of your answer. Ishwari, send answer, beta. Ishwari, you have to send answer. Aradhya, Soham, Taksha, Arnav, right answer. Soham, put comma. Soham, you have to put commas. So for today, we will stop here, okay? Remaining problems we will solve tomorrow, okay? Bye.